Alright, Chapter 6 of the Big Switch is titled Worldwide Computer, and it talks a little bit about the beginning of the internet, called the ARPANET, which was created for mostly military and education purposes, where two computers were able to communicate and talk and share data, and how through the years that's expanded to what we have today, the World Wide Web. This chapter is a little, in some ways, overwhelming in the fact that it's talking about how the internet is allowing for all of us to interact with this information as more of a utility, being able to have, like we talked about in class, Flickr and YouTube and blogs and all these different sources where there's a bunch of these different applications that can all be integrated into one website. Similar to like what we're doing in class with Facebook, we're taking different websites like YouTube and others and bringing those videos into a place where we can all collaborate and see each other's footage and also comment on that, and how it's using a variety of different utilities, different applications to be able to do this communication that we're doing in class. There's a program that they talked about called Second Life, and it was talking about how this it's a computer game that doesn't have a beginning or an end. It's just like a virtual life that you live, and you download this little application that runs on your computer that keeps track of data like where in the world you are and what activities you're doing, and that data is being sent to the servers that this game is hosted on. A lot of it's piggybacked on Amazon servers, but it's creating this game that's continually updating based on the different characters and the different people playing it, and it allows these people to shop, to interact, to meet new people, to hang out with friends, all of this from their browser. It's kind of like a virtual world, or a second life, like the title of the game is called. And thinking about that to me is a little scary, because you can just as easily as being able to do good things in a virtual world, you're also given the opportunity to do things that you normally wouldn't do in your personal life. So fascinating experience in this chapter, and where the future has in store for us. Let me just kind of look at the end and see if there's anything else I want to add. So basically, just the world is becoming more virtual. The world is using these utilities to be more efficient in our collaboration and our sharing of information, but we also need to be careful to not accept the web and all of its goodness, and try to also realize that there's also bad that will come with the good, and we need to try to weigh that out and decide for ourselves how we want to best use the technology that's at our fingertips. So, thank you very much.